Hi, hola, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what I got in Five Below. First, I got this pink water snake, and you can make it like a ball. It's pretty cool. Next thing I got was a bucket of mochis. This pink purple unicorn was my favorite one out of the whole bucket. These are the ones that they contain with duplicates. Next thing I got in Five Below was this splat ball that is a light bulb. So let's open it. Here it is. It's clear inside with the little squishy wet light bulb thing on the bottom. That's pretty cool. Overall, this is my favorite thing I got. Next, I got a blueberry waffle poppet. Wow, that looks cool. But it does not click on that side. Okay, next thing I got is a slinky. And it is metal, so it's kind of better than the other ones. So yeah. Next thing I have is this simple dimple. And I think this is called a triple dimple. And it's more harder to squish through. But yeah, those are two things I also got. Next, I got these off of Amazon. And this one, I got a snapper. And it also is off of Amazon. And I have another one that is rainbow. Next thing that I absolutely love are these Poppet fidget spinners. I got black and white, two of each colors. One side is bad and one side is good. And yeah, this is how they spin. That's how it spins. Let's go to another one. Now this one has like super neonistic colors. Blue, orange, and pink. These are basically my favorite colors. They just need purple on it, but it's okay. And most of all, I kind of love these already. Because like, fidget spinners are my favorite things, and like poppets are too. So like, they literally made both together, and that's like really cool. Especially because like, now that like, these things are like popular and stuff, everyone likes them and stuff, so basically they're going all around the world and everyone like buys it and stuff. So got another white one of those. This one and so I have all those. Basically the same colors, different places. But yeah. Okay, these are all the things I got off of Amazon. These are from Five Below. And these are just from what I got in stores. Okay guys,